Có nó cũng đây sẽ có man mà ông sinh hen. Oh my God, there's hair everywhere. Awas ako din.
Hello, teachers.
Yes. Wait me. Sorry. I can see. How are you, Miss Uyen? Okay. Ah,
I have got doctor's schedule. The next week I will through let me 手术 啊
okay. Okay, what did your doctor say?
Nice. My computer. Wait for me. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Our laptops.
Then when you go downstairs, pala kung dadalhin mo. Kanina.
Tapos na ako ba na
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So how are you? Did you hear me? Can you hear me, Miss Min?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay.
So, surgery. Surgery.
Surgery. Yes, surgery.
Yes. I will. I will hold to capitals the next week, the next Monday, and we are going to have a surgery.
Okay,
Surgery.
next Monday. Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay, next Monday. This coming Monday.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I will pray for you. Okay, please be
The
safe.
next Monday, and we are going to have a surgery on Tuesday. On
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Yes.
surgery.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you, Miss Min. Okay, and you will go back to class maybe after a week.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
To surgery is let me see my boy can talk.
He just checked.
Maybe
Okay, if he's
yes, maybe I need to uh
relax.
less to take a rest or relax and less talk less talking.
Mm-mm-mm. Less talking. Less
Mm,
talking.
less
Okay.
talking. Okay,
So
yes.
probably
Oh, I don't know what's happened with my laptop, with my phone.
okay, so you forgot, you don't know. Okay. So let us pray that everything will goes out fine with your surgery on Tuesday, right?
Okay,
Yeah, Tuesday.
and hobbies and dancing, video games, books. cooking, cinema, past, bicycles, theater, music, art, hiking, travel,
Travel.
fashion,
Travel.
travel, fashion, photography, and the last one I can't see.
Okay, I cannot see to this is fitness. Fitness. Is yeah, okay, so dancing. Okay, can you please read again? Please, Miss Huyen.
Okay, dancing. Các con ơi, học bài đi nha. Lấy bài học đi, chiều mẹ cho đi chơi. Dancing, video games, books, cooking, cinema, cast, bicycles, theater, music, art,
Hiking.
hiking, travel,
Travel.
fashion,
Travel.
photography,
Travel. Travel. Miss Min, travel. Miss,
travel,
okay,
travel,
fashion, photography. Do you know all these
fashion.
words? Do you know all these words? You know all these words, Miss Huyen? You know these words?
Mm,
What words you did not know?
đâu, đâu. Zip quốc, nã cái zip quốc. Sorry, I speak Chinese. What? What?
Okay. What word you did not know in here?
Mm.
What word you did not know in here?
I know everything in here.
Wow, very good. Okay. So at least you're familiar. Okay, you have here vocabulary. Please let us have this. Go swimming.
Go swimming.
Go
Go party.
partying. Mountaineering. Miss
Go
Huyan.
swimming. Go
Correct.
party. Mountaineering.
Mm-hmm.
Mountaineering. Play
Mm-hmm.
sports.
Mm-hmm.
Hang out with friends.
Mm-hmm.
And eat, watch TV and go
Mm.
shopping. Go to gym and go for a walk.
Okay, so you understand all these words. You
Yes,
understand.
then on this was
Okay.
and listen to music, gardening, surf net,
And
surf
surf the
net,
net. Yeah.
surf net, travel,
Travel. Take
take
photographs.
take photograph,
You read a book.
read books,
Sing.
and sing, sleep,
Sleep.
dance.
And dance. Okay, I will ask you. Okay, which hobby in here? This one. Which hobby in here that you like the most?
Gardening.
Gardening. You love gardening a lot. Okay. Why do you like gardening?
And before I have um I have a quite trophy. I have a pizza. I have a piece.
Piece of plot? A piece of plot?
No,
What is that?
I have a garden.
You have a
list.
garden.
I have a garden. So I plant. I plant vegetable.
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 Vegetable. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Plant man. I plant many vegetable.
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 Vegetable. Vegetable. Mm-hmm.
Vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
I plant many vegetable
Vegetable.
and potato,
Potato. Potato.
potato, and I I usually do gardening every weekend.
Oh, you always do gardening every weekend.
Yes,
Wow.
but now I have no garden. I have no garden, so
But now, how about now? You did not do gardening?
now yes, but now I have no garden because actually that garden is not belong to me.
Mm.
I just
It's from the neighbor?
I don't
It's just from the neighbor?
borrow.
Yeah, you borrow. You borrow
Yes,
a garden.
that
Wow. Oh,
that's because that garden isn't belong to me.
it's not belong to you. Very good.
That's
Okay.
it not belong to me. And I just borrow from my neighbor.
You borrow from your neighbor.
That's
Okay.
neighbor. So now they built they built a parking car.
Ah, a parking area. Okay.
That's they have built a parking area and lands and land people for their car.
Ah, okay. Yeah. So that's why you don't have garden now.
That's that's why I have no garden
Garden.
to plant
Okay.
anything.
Miss Huyen, you can plant in the pot. You can
That
plant vegetable in the pot. In the pot. You know what is pot?
no.
Okay.
That's
You can in my country.
because my balcony is so small.
Um,
I that's the areas balcony is just enough for for
hanging the clothes.
closing machine.
What is that? Or
Closing machine.
closing machine. A washing
That's
machine.
a washing machine.
Yeah, it's for the
That's
washing machine.
what that's washing machine only.
It's only for the washing machine. So
That's
it's
there's outside I have a conditioner condition
so that's why the balcony is not enough to have garden.
mm,
Okay.
air conditioner heater
Ah,
heater.
there is a heater. Okay,
That
heater.
I mean the areas of balcony is so small.
So
Uh,
small.
that is a very small. Uh, so that's I can't blend anything. It's it is enough for is enough for food.
Mm. It's only
For
enough.
food. That's it is a it is just enough for post washing machine
Mm.
and air conditioner heater.
Oh yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah. It's not big enough to put a garden. Yes. Okay. How about travel? Do you like to travel, Miss Min? I Miss Huyen.
Hmm?
Travel. Do you like to travel?
That I like travel very much, and if I have a much money, I will uh, I will travel
Okay, what country
a
do you
lot
like to
more.
travel? What country?
What country I like travel in Vietnam, and if I have much money, I will travel euros.
Europe. Yeah, Europe is a very
Europe.
beautiful place.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is my dream.
Your dream. Wow.
That's I will try my best to learn English and earn much money and earn much money to travel.
To travel around Europe. Okay. To travel. Okay, this is your okay. Europe is your dream travel destination. That's maybe your dream travel destination. Europe. Europe is your dream travel destination. So you like to go Europe. Okay. Next is read book. Okay, do you like to read book?
Hello, where?
Okay. So do you read book?
That's I usually read book every night before sleeping.
Okay, before night, before sleeping, you read book.
Every every night before sleeping.
Oh, before you go to
That's
bed, you read book.
mm,
Before going to bed.
that's
Okay.
before going to bed
Mm.
going to bed.
You
Cảnh sát
read
đồ đó.
book.
Mẹ ạ, đây con ngồi đây này. Ngồi đây thôi.
Like sorry. Like Miss Huyan, how many times? Okay, how many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep?
How many time you mean how many time I sleeping?
Okay, how many hours can you spend? How many hours can you spend sleeping?
Uh, I just spend 7 hours for sleeping.
7 hours. Okay. That's good enough. Okay. That's good enough for you. Okay. Okay.
That's
So,
no. Actually, I just want to I want to sleep 8 hours to 10 hours per day, but I haven't I have not enough time for sleeping.
okay, yeah, I understand. You have no enough time to sleep 10 hours. Okay. Because 10 hours, you have to like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like 8 o'clock, you have to sleep. And you wake up 7. 7 or 6 o'clock. 8 o'clock, you have to sleep. But can you sleep early? Can you sleep early?
No,
What time do you sleep
because
at night?
I can't. Certainly, I want to sleep early, but I can't sleep early because I go to work. I go to work. Then come back home 6 o'clock. Then I go to school. I go to school and come back home at 9 at at half past 8 at half
Mm-mm-mm.
past 8 that's at half past 8 p.m. Then I have a dinner. I have a dinner at 9 p.m. Then I have a what I have a shower. I have a shower and have my children to do exercise and have my children to do exercise. Then brush their teeth, have them to brush their teeth and read in book for them, read in book for them. They have a they have done to they have to sleep.
What time they sleep? Your children. What time your children sleep?
10:30.
10:30. Okay, 10:30 they are
That
asleep
that
already.
then that is my time, and I need to to um, to prepare on thing for the next day,
Mm.
such as breakfast. The next day breakfast, and plan schedule, and what and washing clothing and
Mm-mm.
washing clothing and skincare and brushing
Skincare.
and and skincare, and that time is really time for me, and I go to sleep about
11.
11:30.
11:30, 12, 31, 32, 33,
That's
34, 35, 30. Like that. Mga 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours sleep.
that's
Okay.
last night I go to sleep at 12.
Oh, why?
12. That's
It's very late.
that's
Yes. Okay, can you please read this, Miss Huyen?
Teacher.
Hello.
my
Hi, hi. Okay. Hello. Hello, how are you?
I'm 6 years old.
I'm 6 years old.
I'm 9 years old.
Ah, you're 9 years old. Wow. Oh, pretty girl. How are you, pretty girl? Okay, that's Kuya.
I'm
I'm 8 years old.
no
I'm
I'm
6.
happy, or I'm hungry, or
I'm happy.
I'm
I'm
happy.
happy.
You're happy.
Happy, happy, happy.
You're happy. You're happy. Why are you happy today? Why?
Tại sao con lại thích con lại hạnh phúc này nhỉ? Because gì?
Bec-
Because my mom.
Because my mom.
Because
my mom.
My mom?
Give me
Yes.
give for me cái gì? Orange juice. Nó cam đấy.
Oh, you drink orange juice? Wow.
Go on,
Wow, you
go on.
Goodbye.
good.
Sleep 12.
Oh. Okay.
No, no, even we didn't have no lunch.
They're studying the lesson.
That
There's
they are doing exercise.
Oh, they're doing exercise. Okay. So did you eat lunch?
Reading a book.
You're reading a book? Very good. You read a book. That's
Yeah,
good.
okay, that's
That's
good.
very good. Okay. So, Miss Mindy,
I
Miss Huyan,
understand.
did they eat lunch? Not yet.
Okay, what are your hobbies?
Mm.
What's your favorites? What do you like doing? And what sort of hobbies do
Do
you
you
have?
have?
What do you get up to in the free time? What do you do for fun? And what are you interested in? And what are you into? Okay, I'm
Mm-hmm.
talking about hobby, and there are many different questions to asking about hobby, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. So, what is your hobby? The most important hobby that you have? Gardening or what else?
Yes, I just now I have a spoken my the most hobby is traveling. Is traveling.
Traveling. You like traveling a
That
lot. Okay.
I
So,
like traveling a lot. Này trật tự, keep silent.
mm, so what sort of hobby do you have right now? What sort of hobby do you have right now?
Short
Sort of
hobby.
hobby. Okay, what sort of hobby do you have right now?
Um, You can write to. You can write to me.
This
I don't
one.
understand.
Number 4. Number 4. Number
What sort
4.
of hobby do you have? What sort of hobby? What sort of hobby does it mean?
Okay, it means what particular hobby do you have right now? You like?
What sort of hobby do you have? I know, I understand. My hobby is outside. Okay. Outside traveling. My hobby is plants, flowers.
Oh,
There's plant flowers and plant do gardening.
do gardening. Okay, you love
That's
it.
that's do gardening. I love it and um singing
Singing. Oh, you love
and
singing.
go out for camping.
Okay, so that's it. Okay. So, what do you get up to in your free time if you have free time?
In my free time, aside reading book, I usually cook a good meal for my family or I take a lot of time for pick flowers. Example, give you example. Give you.
Ah, yeah. Okay, yes, yes.
That's I do it this morning.
You do it this morning. You arrange flowers.
That's
Okay. So you love it. Okay. So what do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
what do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? Mm,
Like?
I like singing. I like singing
Ah,
or watching movie.
okay. So that, yeah, okay. Now, what are you interested in? Number 7. What are
Uh,
you interested in?
that's I'm interested in English, learning English.
Correct. Okay, I
That's
understand. You are very enthusiastic, Miss Uyen. Okay,
that.
and wait with me. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, enthusiastic and dedicated. Okay. You are so enthusiastic and dedicated to learn English.
And to taxes.
Enthusiastic.
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 And to
Okay.
taxes is what does it mean? Let's me. Uống dạy em đi kìa. Enthusiastic and
Dedicated.
dedicated. I know.
Oh,
I understand.
you understand. Okay. So you're very enthusiastic and dedicated to learn English.
But this was the pronunciation is so difficult. Enthusiastic and
Enthusiastic. Very hard to pronounce. And enthusiastic.
and to
Shas. Shas.
Shastic.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Enthusiastic.
Yeah, enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic.
Correct.
Enthusiastic.
Yes, okay. Very hard to pronounce.
Enthusiastic.
Yes,
That's very
enthusiastic.
difficult
Very
pronunciation.
difficult. Yeah, very difficult to
I think
pronounce.
in my opinion, English is so difficult in pronunciation.
Yeah, mostly foreigner like you find it hard to pronounce well. Enthusiastic. Okay.
Enthusiastic,
Mm-hmm.
enthusiastic,
Enthusiastic.
and dedicated, and dedicated,
Okay, dedicated. Do you know this word?
dedicated.
Yes, dedicated. Okay.
That's dedicated, dedicated, and enthusiastic,
Mm-hmm.
and enthusiastic.
Okay, yeah, like you will say, oh, I am enthusiastic person. Okay, I am happy
That's
and
benefits. That's benefits of having hobby and benefits of having hobby,
benefits. Okay, go.
benefits of having hobby,
Hobbies.
help you relax,
Help you relax.
good for the
Good for
physically,
physically.
and have the mental health, that's
Help
mental
for your
health, and
mental health.
improve creativity. Đi vào trong nhà, nhanh.
Improve
Improve her
creativity.
creativity and grow the spirit,
Grow your
reduce
spirit.
stress, and
Strengthen.
strengthen relationships.
Strengthen the relationship. Okay.
Yes.
Strengthen. Again, Miss Huyen. Strengthen.
Strengthen.
Strength. That's strength. Strengthen.
The strength then. Cái gì? Strengthen.
Oh,
No.
strength. Strength.
Strength.
Okay, correct. Strengthen.
Strengthen.
Okay, correct. Strengthen. Then.
Strengthen.
Strengthen. It's the.
Strengthen.
Okay, correct. That's strengthen the relationship.
Strengthen. That's
Okay, strengthen the relationship.
the
Okay.
relationship. The strengthen the relationship.
Okay, strengthen the relationship. Okay, reduce. That's reduce. 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 Okay, reduce stress. Okay, reduce stress.
Reduce stress.
This one, reduce stress. It reduce stress.
Not reduce.
Okay,
Reduce.
yeah, you can read it as reduce stress.
Reduce the stress.
Stress, okay. Improve creativity. This one, creativity.
Improve creativity.
Correct, very good. Help your mental health. Health.
Have their mental health.
Okay, correct. Good for your physically.
Good for the physically.
It should be physical. It's not, this is wrong. It should be good for your physical health. It's good for your physical health. Okay.
Good for the physically.
Okay.
And happy, relax.
Help you relax. Okay. Do you think your hobby can help you relax? Do you think this?
Help me relax and watching drama.
Oh, you watch drama. What drama do you like? In the TV?
Thiên Sinh Sinh Nhụy Mẫn Mẫn Trao Quay Thiên Sinh Sinh Nhụy Mẫn Mẫn Trao Quay actress in China.
In China.
The actress in China.
Okay.
That's task.
Okay. So we have here. Please let us listen this one. Okay, let us go the script. Okay. Okay, please read this one. Oh, I cannot hear you. Okay, that's it. Okay, please. Okay. Okay,
Happy
hobby.
read.
Read, please.
Hobby. That's hobby. Fishing because it's outdoor involved. So it's great.
It's great.
That's listen to music. Listen to music. Going to the gyms and seeing friends. Paint and I like crafty such things. You know, I'm very handy with my hands, so I do craft and stuff. My
Okay.
favorite hobby is to discover the new food because especially the desserts. I love the fruit and I can enjoy the latest time with my friends. Reading because it gives me a chance to get into a different world and see such a experience the world that's outside of what I'm living in.
Okay. So, hobby fishing because it's outdoor involved. So, it's great. Okay, again, Miss Huyen.
Hobbies fishing because it's outdoor indoors, so it's great.
Very good. Listen to music. Going to the gym. Seeing friends. Again.
Listen to music, going to the gym and seeing friends.
Okay. I paint and I like crafty sort of things. You know, I'm very handy with my hands. So I do crafts and stuff.
I paint and I like a crafty sort of thing. You know, I'm very handy with my hands, so I do crafts and stuff.
Okay. My favorite, very good. My favorite hobby is to discover the new food because,
That
especially the dessert, I love the food
uh,
and I can enjoy leisure time with my friends. Okay, go.
and my favorite hobby is to discover the new food
Food.
because especially the desserts. I love the first and I can enjoy the later time with my friends.
Okay, this leisure. Leisure.
Leisure,
Okay, leisure time with my friends.
leisure. That's leisure time with my friend. I'm
Very good.
reading because it gives me a chance to get into a different world.
World.
See such a part, experience the world that's outside of what I'm living in.
Experience.
Experience,
Experience. Okay, experience.
experience
Correct. Okay, outside.
outside.
Okay, correct. Okay. So good in reading. Okay, yes. Okay. So my favorite, can you please read this one all so we can end up? Okay, go.
My favorite hobby is go traveling because travel around the world can make me know more about the world and I love to communicate with different people.
Communicate.
Communicate, communicate,
Communicate. Communicate.
communicate,
Very good.
communicate.
Very, yeah,
Yes.
very good.
My
Okay.
favorite hobby is to go traveling because travel around the world can make me know more about the world, and I love to communicate with different people.
Very good.
And
Okay,
I
next. I like
that I like music, and because for me music is a soul and it's basically just expressing yourself and just and bit of acting as well. And
okay.
my favorite hobby is playing tennis. I like playing very much because my whole family plays it since I was small. And my favorite hobby and gardening because it's really relaxing.
Okay. My favorite hobby, okay, is gardening because it's really relaxing.
That's
Expressing. This one.
expressing,
Mhm.
expressing,
Okay.
expressing,
Expressing. Okay. Relaxing. Expressing.
relaxing, expressing,
Okay.
relaxing, expressing,
Oh, X. X.
expressing,
Correct.
expressing.
Yes. Relaxing and expressing. Okay. So you read it well. Communicate. This one. How? Communicate again. Communicate.
Communicate,
Okay.
communicate,
Okay. Come. It's come.
come,
Come.
communicate,
Very good. This one. How do you
communicate.
read it? This one. Basically. Basically.
Basically,
Basically.
basically,
Okay.
basically,
Yeah. In the British, they call it basically, but it's very hard. Basically. It's English. Basically. Basically.
basically,
Yes. Okay.
basically,
Okay. Yeah.
basically,
Traveling. Traveling.
traveling, traveling.
Yes. Okay. So how do you read this?
Đây chúng ta có
Soul.
nước cam.
Soul. Soul.
Đây là nước cam.
Soul.
Sour,
Your
sour. Okay,
soul.
sour.
Okay. Soul. Okay. So yourself. Yourself.
Just sour.
Yourself. Yourself.
Just sour. À đâu?
This,
Just sour.
yeah, this
À,
one.
just cells.
Oh, yourself.
Cells.
Okay, yourself.
Just cells.
Themselves. Themselves.
That's
Yourself. Okay.
just
So,
cells.
okay, yourself. Okay, themselves, your son, your daughter. Themselves. Okay? Yes. Okay. So, Miss Huyen, thank you so much for this afternoon. Sorry, this morning. Sorry. Thank you so much for this morning, Miss Huyen. It's nice talking to you. And please tell me your condition. Okay? Okay, please
Okay.
tell me your condition. I hope you're doing good. And then good luck for your surgery. Okay? I will pray for you. Okay? I hope you will be good.
That's
Okay?
the next that's the next time you can send me the lesson in advance. Then I do practice and then when we have a class
You
I
will be
will
good.
focus on speaking
Yeah, correct. Yeah, okay.
and,
I will
and
send you.
improve my
Correct.
pronunciation.
Correct. Okay. I will send you the lesson that we're going to have next. Okay? You can
Okay.
practice. Okay. Thank you.
Now
Bye-bye.
you need to take a rest.
Okay.
Weekends.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye. God
Thank you
bless. Okay.
for
Bye-bye.
for their help.
Yes.
Okay, bye bye.